In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a fork to run on Replit. We'll cover each step to ensure you fully understand the process, so grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Replit homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. This will be your starting point as we navigate through the rest of the process. Spend a moment on this page to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially focusing on your personal dashboard. Next, direct your attention to your profile section. Typically, you'll find your profile icon in the upper corner of the interface. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. Choose the option that simply says Profile. This step allows you to specifically target the projects associated with your account, ensuring that you're always working on the right forked project. Now, once you're on your profile page, you need to search for your forked project. This is a vital step. You want to make sure you're interacting with the correct iteration of your work. Browsing through your projects can sometimes be a little overwhelming, especially if you have multiple forks. Take your time to locate the one you're intending to change. After you've found your forked project, click on it. As it opens, you'll have the opportunity to check whether there are any running tasks that haven't been completed. This step is about ensuring that any processes in the middle of execution are acknowledged, supporting a seamless transition. If you find an unfinished run, go ahead and continue it. This might involve letting the current process complete or resolving any issues that are causing a halt. It's an opportunity to make sure everything is functioning smoothly before proceeding. In some cases, after checking and continuing any incomplete runs, you might still find yourself within the confines of the forked version. If that happens, don't worry, there's a straightforward fix. Navigate over to the right side of the interface where you'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on these dots to expand another menu of options. From the expanded menu, look for an option labeled Rerun. Click on Rerun to reboot your project settings. This command prompts your forked project to execute afresh under its updated configurations, effectively changing the run parameters and possibly resolving any lingering issues. And there you have it! You've successfully changed a fork to run on Replit. By following these steps, you're not just adjusting the project's operation, but you're also ensuring better management of your code environment. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful in enhancing your coding workflow on Replit. Thanks for watching and happy coding!